You're watching Lula Lula TV. Kids Territory, Kitty Dios. Let's learn the vegetables. Ready? Let's start. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. Onion, onion. Pea, pea. Green chili, green chili. Cucumber, cucumber. Brinjal, brinjal. Ginger, ginger. Radish, radish. Bean, beans. Bottle, gourd, bottle, gourd. Bitter, gourd, bitter, gourd. Capsicum, capsicum. Spinach, spinach. Beetroot, beetroot.